In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so the right campaign stops running and no longer shows ads. I'll also share a few helpful notes so you avoid removing the wrong item and keep your reporting tidy. First, go to Google Ads. Open your browser and sign into your Google Ads account the way you normally do. If you manage multiple accounts or profiles, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. It helps to glance at the account name and customer ID in the header so you know you're working on the intended account, especially if you manage several brands or regions. Once you're in, you can remove a campaign from the Home Overview or from the Campaign section. On the home page, you may see a card or list showing active campaigns. If the campaign you want to remove appears there, look for the Remove option or a trash icon next to it. Clicking Remove will prompt a quick confirmation, confirm, and Google Ads will set that campaign status to Removed, which immediately stops it from serving ads or accruing spend. If you don't see the campaign on the home page, head to the Campaigns view using the left-hand menu. Find the campaign you want to remove, click to select it, then open the Edit menu at the top of the table and choose Remove. Again, confirm the action when prompted. The result is the same. The campaign status changes to Removed, and it will no longer deliver impressions or clicks. A few important notes while you do this. Removing a campaign is effectively permanent. For practical use, you can still see its historical data, but you can't turn a removed campaign back on. If you think you might want to use it again later, consider pausing instead of removing. Also, if the campaign is using a shared budget or has shared assets, removing it won't impact the other campaigns sharing those resources, but it will stop this one from spending right away. If you need to keep records, download or note key performance data before you remove. And that's it. After you confirm, the campaign will show a remove status and it will stop running. You can filter by status to verify it's no longer active, and your reports will retain its historical performance. With those clicks, you've successfully deleted a campaign on Google Ads quickly and confidently.